Okay, so this is problem 47 of GATE Physics 2025, and we are asked that which of the following options is or are correct for a type 1 superconductor. Okay, the phase transition to the normal state in the absence of a magnetic field is of second order. With increase in temperature, the critical magnetic field decreases linearly, okay, to zero. Fine. Below the critical temperature, the entropy in the superconducting state is less than that in the normal state. Fine. The phase transition to the normal state in the presence of a magnetic field is of first order. Fine. Okay. See, the option A is immediately correct. Okay. Because the transition from superconducting to normal state at the critical temperature Tc, the critical temperature Tc in zero magnetic field, zero external magnetic field, is a second order phase transition. Okay, second order phase transition. What do we mean by a second order phase transition? That is, no latent heat is there, but a discontinuity is there in the specific heat. Okay, that is what we mean by a second order phase transition. So option A is immediately true. Let me mark it up for now. So option A is true. Fine. Next, let us talk about option B. Now option B is not true, because if I talk about the critical field, option B, the critical field, its variation with the temperature is given like this, right? This is a well-known statement, and this is not strictly linear. In general, it's actually a quadratic relationship, not strictly linear. Okay, but option B says that it's a linear decrease, right? So option B is not true. Fine. Okay, let us see option C. What is option C? Yeah, so option C is saying that below the critical temperature, the entropy in the superconducting state is less than that in the normal state. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Because in the superconducting state, the electron pairing reduces the number of available energy states, leading to a lower entropy compared to the normal state. Okay. So in the superconducting state, electron pairing reduces the number of available energy states. Leading to a lower entropy. Fine. Lower entropy compared to normal state, obviously. Compared to the normal state. Fine. Therefore, option C is also correct. Right? That is what is being stated. Right? The entropy, right, in the critical below the critical temperature, entropy in the superconducting state. Yeah, correct. Fine. Now, finally, let us check option D. The phase transition to the normal state in presence of a magnetic field is of first order. Yeah, that's correct too. Right? Why? Because when an external magnetic field is applied, the transition from superconducting to normal occurs abruptly at Hc, which is characteristic of a first order phase transition. Right? The Hc means the critical field. I'm sorry, student, I've just said Hc, the critical field. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that when an external magnetic field is applied, the transition from the superconducting to the normal occurs abruptly at the critical field. Okay, and this actually indicates towards a first order phase transition. Clear? So option D is right too. Got it? Fine. So 3 options are correct.